Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will learn how to assign a specific project to a specific work order in Odoo Manufacturing. This feature is very useful when different raw material are consumed at different stages of production. So operator only see what they need at each step. So let's get started. First, go to the manufacturing module and enable work order in the settings. So at first we have to create work centers. So here you can see that I had already created work centers, that is cutting machine, assembly line and painting both. Now you have to create the operation for these work centers. So here you can see that I had already created the operations for these work centers, and if you want to create a new one, then you can simply click on new and then give the name of your operations and select your work centers. Here you can see that in the operation I had selected my product. Now you have to create the BOM for your product. So go to the products and then click on bill of materials. So here you can see that I had already created the BOM for my product, and the components are wood plank, nails and varnish. Now you want to assign each component to its corresponding operation using the consumed in operation field. So you have to click on these two dots and you can see that I had already assigned the operations for each component. Now you just click on the operations and then go to the manufacturing orders, click on new here, select your product and then just confirm this order. You can update your quantity and then just confirm this order. So that's it. You have now seen how to assign raw material to specific work orders in Odoo. Thank you for the watching. See you in the next video.